Hi, in this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at the newsletter subscribers module of Admin Toolkit. So I'm going to be using this module on the new Admin Toolkit website once I've built it, because growing the newsletter is a good way of keeping people up to date without having to rely on social media algos to actually put your news out there. So when it's enabled and fully set up, you have a little pop-up sitting on the side of your site. And if you scroll down, it just kind of sort of casually floats there to sort of basically be noticeable on there without being too intrusive. So you can either click on it to subscribe or just push the S button. And we get that little modal with our title and our button on there. So I'm just going to do another test 2 at www.admintoolkit.com. I can't type and talk like most people. Click subscribe and we get the nice little notice on there. So you notice I'm currently on the About page. In the previous attempts of this video, I did a couple of tests on different pages. So let's pop over. So obviously I've got the newsletter subscribers module enabled because it's shown on the front. And when the module is enabled, you get a settings tab up the top. So let's pop over to that bit. So here we can see we've got our newsletter form and widget settings. So we can do the headline text, the heading size of it. If you wanted to have a second line of text on there, so sign up for regular news, just for example on there, and the content type on that from a paragraph or heading, it'll use your site's default styles on there. And you can also change the widget trigger key. So currently it's got S for subscribe. You could swap it to press M for newsletters and do the bits on there. So obviously you want to protect it against bots. So it's got built-in protection via Cloudflare turnstile. So once you've generated your site key, secret key, you can then enable bot protection. Obviously, as I'm on a local site, that's off because it won't work then. And you could also either have it send the details through a webhook to your favorite email provider, or it can store the details locally. So I'm just going to click on the Save Newsletter Settings. You can see that's saved on there. Swap over to Firefox, click refresh on here. And once we scroll down the page slightly, we should then have the N for newsletters appear. And if I now click N, that pops up as before. And we can see we've now got our sub-content line of sign up for regular news on there. So it's dead simple to implement on that side with a couple of ticks on that side through. So we've basically got customization on the top there, your bot protection and your webhook on that side through. But once people have actually subscribed, you can pop over to the subscriber dashboard on the side here for a simple view of how many people have subscribed and when. Obviously, it's just a test system. I'll keep wiping the data. And we can see the recent tests on here from testing on the home page, test on the home page, and test 2 on the About page. So you can see where people have subscribed from. And that will obviously just be the recent subscribers. To view all of the ones in there, we've just got a dead simple view subscriber screen on here where you can export to CSV, delete all of them, or delete older than 30 days. So if you wanted to do a manual export on here, you can do. Otherwise, if you had the webhook in place, that could then send it across to your favorite email platform.